How to change your cash tag on Cash App. Now, first of all, cash tag is a unique user ID, how other people can identify you on Cash App, and it can also be used for receiving payments. So if you've had your cash tag with a number of people and they only know you by that cash tag, it is better recommended not to change it. But however, if you'd like to go ahead and change it, even so, you can simply open the Cash App. Once you open Cash App and log into your account, tap on the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right next to your email, you'll find the option called Edit Profile. So all you have to do is just hit the Edit Profile button that you can see there. Once you tap on the Edit Profile button, on the next page you can see your basic info, and here you can see cash tag. So all you have to do is tap on your existing cash tag, enter the new cash tag you'd like to use, and then basically go ahead and then change your cash tag and also save the changes. This way you'll be able to basically change your cash tag on Cash App. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.